Hey guys, so this is a demo of our product Kontext Smart Display. As you can see, it comprises of three elements. One is the monitor with HDMI input into it. Second, we provide our clients with Amazon Fire TV stick, which are pre-configured, but they are open to use any Android support box. Third, we provide them with these tags, which are designed by Kontext, which are used to tag the products. Now, as you can see, we have created a small demo set of our client Asian Paint, which has started rolling out smart displays into multiple stores. But there are three cans which are tagged with these context tags. Now, once I get into a launch mode, as you can see, they are using a banner as a video, wherein if there is no interaction happening, this banner is keep playing on the screen. Now, as and when I pick up a product, as you can see, it immediately switches back to the product page. I don't have to do anything. It gives me all the information about the product along with the TV commercials and all the specifications. Now, if I pick up a second product after a specific skip period, it skips to that particular product page. Again, the same thing. The best part about this is you can use these custom pages as well as videos as well as images and GIF to support all the major formats, and you can show the rich information and the contextual information about the product. So that is pretty much a bit about the demo. Now we'll get into the platform demo of how we can use the platform to control these screens and get analytics out of it. Thank you. Okay, so this is Context Platform, which enables a brand or a retailer to get all the insight about their stores in terms of analytics, and also it enables them to control all the displays in the stores and configure them. So as you can see, what we have done is we have kept it simple like Google Analytics, because that is what the feedback we got from the brands in terms of keeping it simple like a Google Analytics. So we have divided our platform into three major sections. One is the dashboard, second is the engage, and third is the manage. So let's go one by one to each of the dashboards. So first we go to the overview, wherein a brand or a retailer can get a complete holistic view about what is happening in their store and get insights about their customer behavior when they are in store. So as you can see, they can get a peek into the total number of interactions that are happening with the product which have been tagged. Second, the content consumption. Whenever a customer is interacting with the content, or rather a product, the content which is getting displayed, how much time on an average a content is getting played before a customer skips to another product. Good for A/B testing any content. Third is the average session duration. So think of it as a page time on a web page wherein a customer comes in, picks up a product, interacts with it. So it records all the interaction and how much time a customer is peeking into a product. Second, as you can see, a brand is getting a real-time view about total active interaction that are happening right now. Third, we give them a holistic view about the top performing products. So as you can see, Johnny Walker, we are showing over here, Highlands, B-side, and Lowlands. Then they also get to know their top performing stores when the interactions are happening. So this is something which is interesting, wherein they are able to get a complete holistic view about when the top interactions are happening and which is the hottest time in their store. And they get a holistic view about active products and the screens in their store. Now we go to the stores, wherein a customer or a brand can see in terms of what are the store metrics. So right now, as you can see, we have a single store, which is a Gurgaon office, our head office in India, wherein they can simply now get into a store level and get all the interaction that are happening, average content consumption and average session duration in that particular store. Similarly, now a brand can get insight about a particular product and how they are performing in their store with respect to their product placement and things like that. Also, they are able to calculate the conversion after the interaction. So, as you can see, again, we give them a total interaction which enables them to calculate how many interactions are happening versus what are the sales number, which enables them to calculate conversion easily. Similarly, the content consumption for that particular product and the duration time. Key indicators, brands loves it, brands wants it, we provide them. Second, we go to the engage part, wherein first let's look into assets and template, then we can go into campaigns. Asset and templates are the content which are primarily displayed on the screen. So as you can see, we have divided them into three parts: images, videos, and templates. So a brand can upload all their image content in a single go using our upload manager, wherein they can simply drop a file like Dropbox. Similarly, they can publish all their videos on the platform. Also, they can create a custom template by simply dragging and dropping. So as you can see, it will pull out it. This is primarily to build custom layouts which get displayed on the screens. Now we get into the campaign. Yeah. So as you can see, it gives a complete view about how many campaigns are live right now versus finished, paused, or scheduled for a later date. So creating a campaign is fairly simple. You go into a create campaign mode, you name a campaign, add a description, add the stores to it. Then you select a banner image which pulls out a CMS, which we saw right now. They can select between images, videos, and HTML. So once they select a banner image, let's say I select right now image banner, it gets loaded into it. Next, they can assign content to the product. So as you can see, we have all the products which are uploaded onto the platform. They can simply select a product and add them to the campaign. Next, they can simply schedule a campaign. So we provide them with a daily basis campaign scheduling weekend, so they can run a particular campaign on a weekdays versus a different campaign on a weekend. Also, we provide them with a custom feed wherein they can schedule campaign for the future dates. So the setting up a campaign is as simple as that. Next, we come to hooks. So this is something that we have added after our previous interview with YC, wherein what we have done is we have provided them with social proof. So let's see how it works. So this is a hook. Now, as you can see, this is something which is interesting and sort of add to a network effect. So the more number of brand stores or brand ads, it provides more value to them. So first is social proof, wherein brand can simply add. What we do is we compile all the data coming to the platform from multiple store and then provide them with these kind of triggers to the customer. So as soon as a customer comes in, these small pop-ups keeps on popping on the screen. The idea behind this is to hit the emotional part of the brain and then uh, provide that sales uplift. Similarly, we have testimonial wherein a brand can simply connect their Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook handle, wherein we pulls out all the positive triggers and show it onto the platform as a pop-up on the display. Third is offer, wherein they can pre-configure offer, create beautiful templates, wherein as in when a customer comes in, picks up a product, relative offer get displayed to the customer instantly. Again, just to push a sale or a conversion. Social media start, these are fairly simple. Again, like we saw, they can connect Facebook, all the major social media channel to the platform, and we pulls out all the data from it and display it onto the screen again to hit that emotional part of the customer's brain and to push that sale. Next, we come to the manage part, wherein a brand can simply import all their product through a simple Excel upload, and once they upload it, it gets displayed in this beautiful manner, wherein every product has a description, their name. They can also add price field to it, and also they can track metrics in terms of how this is performing. So right now, this product is not active in any content in last 7 days. That's why the contents are zero. So yeah, so that is how the product CMS work. Last is the infrastructure, so wherein they can monitor the infrastructure and manage it. So once a brand places an order, we create a store for them, which get displayed over there. So for instance, right now there is a Dwarka office store. For instance, we can simply customize it. So say if a brand wants more screen to be added into the store, we can simply add it from here. If they want more number of tags in a particular store, they can simply place an order through this chat widget. It goes to our service team. They add the tags to the store and they get shipped. So once a customer receives the tag in the store, they simply have all the tag pre-configured and they can simply assign devices to the tag. It's as simple as that. So yeah, so that is managing store, and also they can track metrics about a particular store from here as well in any timeline. So as you saw, the platform is fairly simple. After our conversation with multiple brands, this is what we came up with, because they said there's no need to reinvent the wheel or put a heavy UI UX perspective into it. What we have done is kept it lookalike to Google Analytics, which is something all brand and marketers are aware of. And what we are seeing is brands are loving it, the brand managers are loving it, and yeah, it gives you a complete holistic view about what is happening in the store, which we call as a pre-purchase analytics, and also at the same time provide them with the control and power to control the screen and manage their store from their laptops from anywhere in the world. So yeah, that is pretty much it about the platform. Thank you.